Have you ever found yourself wondering what flight attendants are really thinking as you step onto the plane? Behind those warm smiles and professional greetings, there's a whole world of unspoken wishes and helpful tips that could make your flight smoother for everyone. Flight attendants are trained to handle all sorts of situations, but there are a few simple things passengers can do that make a huge difference in their day, and yours. It's not about bringing gifts or going out of your way to impress. Instead, it's the small gestures, like a friendly hello, a bit of patience during boarding, or simply listening to instructions, that truly stand out. These little acts of kindness and cooperation can turn a stressful flight into a pleasant experience for everyone on board. Today, we're pulling back the curtain and sharing 12 insider secrets that flight attendants wish every passenger knew. These aren't just random tips, they're the things that make their jobs easier and your journey more enjoyable. From boarding etiquette to in-flight behavior, these insights will help you become a favorite passenger in no time. So, whether you're a frequent flyer or it's your very first trip, get ready to discover the 12 things flight attendants secretly hope you'll do every single time you fly. Let's dive in and make your next flight the best one yet. Sometimes, the smallest gestures can have the biggest impact. When you step onto a plane, the very first thing you can do to set a positive tone for your journey is to greet your flight attendants with a genuine, heartfelt smile. It's a simple act, but it speaks volumes about your attitude and respect for the crew who will be looking after you for the next several hours. Those first few moments as you board the aircraft are more important than you might think. A warm hello, a friendly nod, or even just a smile can instantly brighten someone's day, especially for flight attendants who greet hundreds of travelers on every flight. Your positive energy can set the tone not just for your own experience, but for everyone around you. Believe it or not, crews really do remember passengers who go out of their way to be kind. A simple smile or a polite greeting can stand out in a sea of hurried travelers. These small acts of kindness can make a flight attendant's long day feel a little lighter, and sometimes they'll even go the extra mile for passengers who treat them with respect and warmth. So next time you board a plane, take a moment to make eye contact, offer a friendly greeting, and show your appreciation for the crew. It doesn't take much, but it can make a world of difference in how your journey unfolds. Remember, a smile is truly contagious, especially at 35,000 feet. By spreading a little kindness, you help create a more pleasant atmosphere for everyone on board, making the skies friendlier for all. You've heard the safety demo before, but listening shows respect for the crew and your own safety. Emergencies are rare, but knowing the details can make all the difference. Make eye contact, put down your phone, and pay attention. You're helping the crew and setting a good example for others. Carry-on size rules keep boarding efficient and bins organized. Oversized bags cause delays and safety hazards. Stick to the guidelines, it shows respect for the process and your fellow travelers. Double-check those limits for a smoother boarding experience. Whenever you see the seatbelt sign illuminated above your seat, it's not just a suggestion, it's a crucial safety instruction. Turbulence can strike without warning, even when the skies outside look calm and clear. Staying seated with your seatbelt securely fastened is the best way to protect yourself from sudden jolts or drops that can happen at any time during the flight. Even experienced travelers can be caught off guard by unexpected turbulence, so it's important to take this rule seriously every time you fly. Ignoring the seatbelt sign puts not only your own safety at risk, but also the safety of those around you. If you're up and about when turbulence hits, you could be thrown off balance, fall, or even collide with other passengers or objects. Overhead bins can pop open, and loose items can become dangerous projectiles. Injuries from turbulence are more common than you might think, and most of them happen when people aren't buckled in. By staying seated and keeping your seatbelt fastened, you're not only protecting yourself, but you're also helping the flight crew do their job more effectively. Flight attendants are trained to keep everyone safe, but they can only do so much if passengers don't follow instructions. When everyone stays put, it allows the crew to focus on their duties and respond quickly to any situation that may arise. It might be tempting to get up and stretch your legs, but patience is key. Waiting for the all clear from the crew ensures that you're moving around only when it's truly safe to do so. Remember, the seatbelt sign is there for your protection, not just as a formality. By following this simple rule, you show respect for your fellow passengers and the crew. Your cooperation helps create a safer, more comfortable flight for everyone on board, and your crew and fellow travelers will definitely appreciate your consideration. Use headphones for your devices. No one wants to hear your playlist across the cabin. It's a simple courtesy that keeps the flight peaceful for everyone. Respect your neighbors and the crew by keeping sound to yourself. Bring your own headphones and enjoy a quieter, more comfortable flight. Serving a full cabin is a challenge. Patience is key. If your row is last or a request takes time, remember the crew is working hard. Your understanding makes their day easier. A little empathy goes a long way. Help keep the cabin clean by handing over your trash when the crew comes by. Trash left behind slows cleanup and creates hazards. Hold on to your trash until collection. You'll make the crew's job easier. The galley is the crew's workspace. Avoid crowding it. Standing there slows service and can create safety issues. Stretch in the aisle or near your seat and let the crew work efficiently. The call button is for genuine needs. Use it thoughtfully. Repeated minor requests distract the crew from urgent tasks. If it can wait, hold off and help the crew prioritize. Boarding and deplaning work best when everyone follows instructions. Rushing the aisle causes delays and bottlenecks. Listen to announcements and cooperate for a smoother, faster exit. No one likes delays, but the crew has no control over them. Your kindness and patience make a tough situation better for everyone. A smile or thank you goes a long way. Stand out as a considerate traveler. The crew will remember it. End your journey with a simple thank you to your flight attendants. After a long shift, those words can be the highlight of their day. A smile and a thank you make a big impact. Show your appreciation as you exit. It's the perfect way to close your flight. These 12 actions can transform your flight and make your cruise day. Every small gesture adds up to a smoother, friendlier journey. Try these tips next time you fly and see the difference. If you learned something new, subscribe and share your own travel tips below. Safe travels.